You're looking for the ultimate repair kit for your epoxy jobs? Well then, we've got you covered here with APC's range, which is very versatile and you can use it in all different ways. So, starting with the clear epoxy, you could do small cracks, and depending if you want to mix ceramic, which is very fine powder, through to your different types of sand, your 0.25s, your 0.5s, your 0.9s. So depending on how, if you're trying to build a nice big bulky area, or you're looking at doing fine cracks, small chunks, you can use it depending on what ratio and how thick you want it. Just change the consistency depending on how much sand or ceramic you add. Now by adding the accelerators into it, that can obviously speed the process up, get the job early, do all your repairs, and you might also need to go over some tiles, or you can prime it with this, and then you can add your ceramic to it at the right sort of blend, and then you can get a nice easy trail on job. Once again, accelerate it, and then you get your first coat of epoxy down nice and easy. So by getting that consistency right, depending on what you're trying to achieve, everything from coving, cracks, holes, trenches, going over tiles, this range has got you covered. So thanks for watching. Check us out online or come in store for more great products and solutions.